2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon 392 is here, and it's ready to dominate both on and off the road. This beast combines rugged capability with unmatched power, making it a dream truck for adventure seekers. Let's dive into its interior, exterior, performance, and price to see why it stands out in the crowd. Starting with the exterior, the Gladiator Rubicon 392 boasts an aggressive design that commands attention. The iconic 7-slot grille, bold fender flares, and high ground clearance scream off-road readiness. LED lighting, reinforced steel bumpers, and a removable hardtop add to its tough yet stylish look. The 392 badge hints at the monstrous power under the hood, while the Rubicon-specific features like rock rails and all-terrain tires ensure it's built for the toughest trails. Inside, the 2026 Gladiator Rubicon 392 offers a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Premium leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a driver-centric cockpit make every ride enjoyable. The latest to Connect 5 infotainment system with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system keeps you connected. Jeep has also added more storage options and durable materials to handle any adventure. Now, let's talk about the heart of this machinery, the performance. The Rubicon 392 packs a 6.4-liter HEMI V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 470 horsepower and 470 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this truck accelerates with authority. The advanced 4x4 system, electronic locking differentials, and adaptive suspension ensure it conquers any terrain effortlessly. Whether it's rock crawling or highway cruising, the Gladiator 392 excels in every scenario. Fuel efficiency isn't its strong suit, but that's expected from a high-performance V8. The roar of the exhaust and the raw power make up for it, offering an exhilarating driving experience. Jeep has also fine-tuned the suspension for better on-road manners without compromising off-road prowess. With multiple drive modes, including a dedicated Baja mode, this truck is as versatile as it gets. Pricing for the 2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon 392 starts at around $80,000. Positioning it as a premium off-road powerhouse. While it's not the most affordable option in its class, the performance and exclusivity justify the cost. For those who want the ultimate combination of power, luxury, and capability, this truck is worth every penny. In conclusion, the 2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon 392 is a force to be reckoned with. Its bold exterior, refined interior, and unmatched performance make it a standout in the midsize truck segment. If you're looking for a vehicle that can handle anything while turning heads, the Gladiator 392 should be at the top of your list. What do you think about this beast? Would you take it off-roading or keep it as a daily driver? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching.